guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Peyton and today I'm back with another video. Today's video, as you all have read by the title, is going to be my swimsuit try-on haul and review with Zaful. In the past, I've worked with Zaful before. I did a video just like this with them I want to say like a year or two ago, and that was when my boobs were like a B cup. And now I'm a 32 triple D, and so many people ask me regularly where I get my swimsuits from, how I wear my bathing suit tops, where I shop for clothing and all this kind of stuff. And I do plan on making a video about like tips and tricks for wearing clothes and tops with big boobs, but for now I just wanted to share some of my secrets and tips for the things that I do when I'm wearing swimsuits and where I get my swimsuit. No offense to the itty bitty titty committee, okay? You know what? Big boobs, small boobs, say it and wear it proud. So I'm just going to give a quick little review of each swimsuit that I tried on, and then at the end I'm going to give like an overall review and rating of like each swimsuit. All the swimsuits that I tried on in this video are a size medium. Let's get right into it because I know I've been blabbing for a really long time, and then at the end I'll blab a little bit. So the first swimsuit that I tried on was this neon yellow swimsuit. I would say this is like a cutout swimsuit. I really do like this swimsuit. The bottoms were a little bit big. Like I said, all of my swimsuits came in a size medium, so the tops usually fit me more perfectly and the bottoms were a little bit bigger, but it's fine. Even if the bottoms are bigger, I'm still going to wear the bikini because they're all so cute. And honestly, all of these swimsuits are super duper good quality. None of these swimsuits feel cheap or anything like that. I really do love this swimsuit. It fits really tight in the breast area. And one quick tip that I have for you all with big boobs is to wear shirts and swimsuits that suck your titties up. You don't want to have on like a loose swimsuit. The tie-up swimsuits are kind of hard to work with because sometimes it hurts when you tie it too tight, but swimsuits like this are perfect because it's nice and tight. The next swimsuit that I tried on was this light baby pink tie up swimsuit. Now this has to be my favorite swimsuit of all. Honestly, one of my favorite swimsuits. The bottoms tie up and then the shirt is adjustable. So another tip for girls with big boobs is to wear shirts that you can adjust. Not just swimsuits, but shirts too. Shirts that you can adjust, it's easy because you can tie them and make your titties pop as much as you want to. And that's the exact type of top that this is. And this is probably one of the swimsuits that make my boobs look the best. The next swimsuit that I tried on was this cheetah, or I think it's leopard. I'm pretty sure this is leopard. Tried on this leopard swimsuit. When I got this, I was kind of going for like a different look. Like I had a whole different idea in mind, but I feel like when I tried this on, I kind of look more like an auntie, but I still think it's really cute. Honestly, it's really cute, comfortable, and I feel like the top is like perfect fitting. The top fit me perfectly. The bottoms also fit me perfectly, and also the pink swimsuit, the bottoms also fit me really good. The next swimsuit that I tried on was this white swimsuit. So this was one of the swimsuits that was just definitely not it. I really did like this swimsuit when I picked it out, but it obviously doesn't fit me too well. My titties were literally just 1 second away from popping out. This swimsuit top is definitely too small. The bottoms fit me basically perfectly, but I really also like the texture of this bikini as well. The next swimsuit that I tried on was this red triangle bikini swimsuit. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've taken a picture of this already, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, please don't forget to follow me at peyton.b. And I posted pictures of myself in this swimsuit on Twitter and Instagram, and people were going crazy asking me if I was wearing my swimsuit upside down. I'm like, yeah, I do. I guess that'll just be another trick or tip that I have for you guys, is to wear your swimsuit upside down. Even if you have little boobs, it's really cute and different, and if you have big boobs, it makes the swimsuit fit a lot tighter and more snug on your boobs. When I wore this swimsuit right side up, the white part would show because the top is obviously too small for me, but when I wore it upside down, no white part showed and it fit me basically perfectly. The bottoms are a little bit too big. The white part usually does show, and I don't think I'm ever gonna wear this swimsuit right side up because it doesn't look right when I do. The next swimsuit that I tried on was this orange snakeskin bandeau bikini. I want to say bandeau, but yeah, it is a bandeau. I feel like this top is really versatile. This is the front of it, but as you guys can see on my try on, I wore this tie-up part as the front. This is the back, and I wore it like this because I just felt like it gave me like a sexier look with my boobs showing right here. You can wear this 3 different ways. You can wear it right side, you know, this being the front. You can wear it with this, so the back being the front, or you can wear it with the back in the front and you can tie the strings around your neck. Top fit me perfectly and the bottoms fit me perfectly too, so this is definitely another one of my favorites of this haul. The top is just so cute. I even told myself like I would probably wear this swimsuit top as a regular top, like to the club or something, because it's like so cute and different. The next swimsuit that I tried on was this blue velvet swimsuit. If you guys follow my Instagram, you probably already seen. If you haven't, go look and like this picture. The bottoms fit me perfectly. The top is too small. I tried to wear it upside down. I tried to wear it right side up. It just wasn't working out. Even in the try on haul, the top is just honestly way too small, and it's a size medium, and I'm just like, how is this a size medium? It is a really cute top. I wish my boobs were a little bit smaller, or I wish I got a size large so that it could fit. Really great quality, really comfortable regardless of the top fitting too small. The last swimsuit that I have for this haul is orange, kind of orange. It's like a mixed colored snakeskin swimsuit. So this is the second snakeskin swimsuit that I have in this haul. The bottoms are really big and the top fits me perfectly. I'll still wear the swimsuit even though the bottoms are pretty big. It's supposed to be reversible, so you can like wear it with the orange on the outside and the snakeskin on the inside, and I did try to do that, but it also has this white little cut in it from the pads that you can take out, and I felt like it was like a lot, like way too noticeable. I think I would stick to wearing it with the snakeskin on the outside. The top did fit perfectly. It held my boobs up great. Those tight tops are the truth, okay? You want your titties to look good this summer, baby girl, you better order a size down. And then last but not least for this haul, I got this white lace cover up. I did wear this with the white swimsuit that I showed you all, but I really do like this cover up. It gives me angelic vibes, honestly, and it's pretty comfortable. So that was it for the haul. Now, before I end this video, I'm going to give like an overall little, you know, general review of everything and how I liked all the swimsuits. Zaful is great, okay? I would say Zaful is great because their swimsuits are so cheap, but at the same time, they're such great quality. Like, they don't look cheap. You could spend like $10 on a bikini and it looks like you got it from somewhere where you had to spend like $30 or $40, right? But who's paying that much for a swimsuit? We're trying to be hot girls this summer. Hot girls on a budget, okay? Baddies on a budget, period. Go to Zaful and get yourself some swimsuits, okay? Now, what I have to say about the shipping, I have actually spent my own money on Zaful products and the shipping takes a lot longer, but when they ship these swimsuits to me, they came a little bit faster. They came in about like 4 to 5 days, but when I've ordered before, it took like 2 weeks. Probably order like a month in advance if you're trying to get something for, you know, August, you know, and you're trying to order in July, or if you're trying to get something in July, order it this month. Yeah, because it seems like the shipping is pretty slow, but for the most part, I really do love all of these bikinis. Now, one thing that I would like recommend for Zaful to do is to allow people to pick different top and bottom sizes, because everybody does not wear the same top size as they were on the bottom. All of the bikinis in this video were a size medium. I feel like if you're bigger than me, you know, you might want to size up. If you're smaller than me, you might want to size down. That's basically all I have to say. I would definitely give majority of these swimsuits in here a 9 out of 10 because they're just such good quality. Of course, I just feel like if my body sizing was different, then I would give it a 10 out of 10. So that's really all I had to say for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big giant thumbs up, and make sure you guys comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.